Hi, so welcome to another video. This video is about wigs. Um, the business name is say like yeah. There are different types of wigs as you can see as I'm scrolling. Um, different types of wig, different types of prices. Um, you can check the website. They have a 300% density wig. Is living install weeks, multicolored and whatever. They're also running a promo, $9 best selling highlight, classic or braids wigs and so on. They have different promos, as you can see, beautiful wigs. Um it looks expensive. Let's see, but I think the price should be all right. For it should be within the normal range of prices of wigs. I'm not sure, or whatever. They also running a wholesale program. Um, the wholesale program for wigs, and as you can see in the front page, in the home page at the top, 14% off for wigs. 14% off, $30 off, $60 off for weeks. They are doing a summer sale right now. Um, but also you can see in the top right on top is 300% density wigs, white chips, 300% density wigs, and so on. As I'm scrolling down, you can see different types of 300 density wigs, different types to buy, different prices, beautiful wigs, um, beautiful wigs. You can say from the picture, it should be better than the one my sisters have. Um, let's see, well, they're very beautiful wigs, um, and so on. Scrolling down, you can see different prices, different everything. um the store is probably a small business, um small business, yeah, I think so. Different beautiful women and wigs, and so on. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep the video rolling so you can see the end of this wigs and so on. We have come to MVC string song feats with 350 lays, whatever. I don't know what that means, but I think is what, how should I put it? Is it what you sew to your braids? I think so. I think it's kind of what you sew to your braids. I don't know. I don't know how it works. But you guys should probably know how it works, right? Yeah, girls. You can see there 50% off, and you can see the wheel, a chance to win a prize or percentage off on your buying or shopping, whatever. So you can see from the scroll down button, you can see different types of colors, kinds, whatever. You can see from the top of the home page different categories. You can see promotions, wherever and wherever you want. And you probably can get some things for cheap, and so on. back to the home page. Probably because I'm too lazy to show you guys the remaining rest. I'm too lazy to finish the video. Maybe I'm gonna do the other half later. But if you guys are interested in seeing what kind of product on the top of the remaining top page, you can comment. If you are interested in codes for your product, you can probably contact the quotes for prices of and so on. Can probably contact the small business owner or the owner or the small business if they can probably get some quotes for your wigs. And